Alright guys, it's been long since we made any Instagram tricks video, but the wait is finally over, and in today's video I've got 12 Instagram secret tricks which you should probably know. So with that being said, yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here, and now let's get started. Coming to the first trick, it's related to sending posts to your friend, and a lot of people are unaware of this feature. So for this, just click and hold the send button. You will see 4 accounts you interact the most, and you can simply send any post by releasing your finger on that account. But make sure you have the latest version of Instagram application installed on your phone. Now coming to the second trick, it's about filtering your Instagram feed the way you want. So whenever you will click on the Instagram text, you will see 2 options, followings and favorites. So if you will select followings, it will show posts and contents only of your followings, and coming to favorites option, here you can make a list of your own favorite Instagram users, and by selecting it, you will see posts and contents of your favorites only. Another amazing trick of Instagram is to find nearby places, or you can even search for them. Now it's not only limited to this, but you can also see all posts of that particular location. It can be a restaurant, cafe, park, university, office, or anything else. So for this, just go to explore section and then click on the map option next to the search bar. It will fetch your location and will show all nearby locations, and you can see posts of different people too. Also, it is helpful finding nearby people, and you can uninstall Tinder after this. Now coming to the fourth trick, it's about using Instagram for finding nearby hotels, cafe, restaurant, gardens, etc. For this, into the map option of Instagram, just select any category and you can find nearby places along with directions and related contents. Another trick is related to Instagram verification, and now Instagram made it pretty easier to apply for it. You will see a lot of new options while applying for a verification badge, and for making the process easy, you can simply apply for a PR, that is press release, for free from the link given below in the video's description. For full tutorial of Instagram verification, refer to the video whose link is given in the video's description. Now the sixth trick is about seeing an Instagram message without scene tag. So all you will need to do is to restrict that account after seeing their messages, and then scene tag won't be shown to that person. The seventh trick is a time saver. I bet you a lot of you guys won't be knowing about this feature, by which you can create a short message code for big messages, and you will find this option under saved reply section. For example, I am creating a saved reply shortcut, and whenever I will enter that shortcut, the saved reply will pop up, and by this we can save a lot of time of ours typing big messages. So create some shortcuts of commonly used messages, but for this you will need a business or a creator account for using this feature. Now you can make your own avatar on Instagram and send it as stickers. So for creating it, go to Instagram settings, then account settings, and then select avatar option. Customize and make one avatar of yours, and you can send these to your friends as stickers, and you can really amaze them. Instagram recently introduced a limit option where you can limit unwanted interactions. By using this feature, you can limit comments and messages of accounts that aren't following you, or maybe you can set conditions like your new followers cannot message or comment for a week. You will find this option under privacy settings. A lot of people don't know about this cool feature of Messenger, by which you can send message to your friends in an amazing way. For this, type any message and then click on the search icon and select any preset, and by this you can send any message with different amazing effects. It's good to keep on 2-factor authentication on your Instagram account, but a lot of people don't know that they can set up 2-factor authentication using WhatsApp. For this, go to security settings and then in 2FA section, enable WhatsApp option. Now all you will need is to verify your WhatsApp number, and after that you will receive OTP on your WhatsApp whenever you will log in your Instagram. Coming to the last trick, it's about spying your own Instagram activities. For this, go to your activity section, and here you can see a lot of analytics of your own account, from interactions to recently deleted to all the accounts you have searched for, almost everything. Coming to the 13th and the bonus trick is about messenger filter and notification filter, by which you can see unread unanswered messages at one place, and same with notification filter, where you can select notification based on category and account types. So that's all for now, and if you want to know 2 more amazing tricks of Instagram by which you can view posts and contents of your private account, and to find out what your girlfriend does on Instagram, then visit the link given below in the video's description. So if you guys liked the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyansh, and I will catch you in the next one. As long as it's with